Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get into a state of laser-sharp focus while the rest of us are stuck battling distractions? What if I told you that accessing deep focus isn't reserved for geniuses or monks but is something anyone can achieve? Today, we're diving into proven methods that will help you unlock this superpower effortlessly. Ready? Let's go. Imagine sitting down to work, and within minutes, you're completely immersed in what you're doing. No phone buzzing, no wandering thoughts, just pure, unstoppable productivity. Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. This isn't magic, it's science. And once you understand how your brain works, achieving deep focus becomes as simple as flipping a switch. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you went an hour without checking your phone? Be honest. Most people can't even make it 10 minutes. That constant need to check notifications is killing our ability to concentrate. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like that anymore. The solution lies in understanding one key concept: flow states. Flow states are moments where your mind is so deeply engaged in a task that everything else fades away. Athletes call it being in the zone. Writers describe it as losing track of time while their words pour onto the page. Scientists, they see it as peak performance. And guess what? You already know how to access it. You just haven't been shown the right steps yet. So, let's start with the basics. Your brain has two modes: default mode and focused mode. Default mode is where most of us spend our days: daydreaming, scrolling, multitasking. Focus mode, on the other hand, is where deep work happens. To shift from default to focused, you need triggers. These triggers aren't complicated. They're habits, environments, and techniques designed to prime your brain for concentration. Here's the first method: eliminate distractions before they happen. Think about it. How often do you sit down to focus only to realize 5 minutes later that you've opened Instagram just to check? It's not your fault, it's human nature. Our brains crave novelty. So, remove temptation entirely. Put your phone in another room. Use apps that block distracting websites. Create boundaries that force your brain to stay on task. Now, let's talk about environment. Did you know that your surroundings play a massive role in your ability to focus? A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Clean spaces create clarity. Natural light boosts mood and energy. Even small changes, like adding plants or using noise-canceling headphones, can transform your workspace into a focus sanctuary. Ask yourself, does your current setup support deep focus, or is it sabotaging you? But here's the real game changer: rituals. Top performers across industries use pre-work rituals to signal to their brains that it's time to focus. For example, best-selling author Tim Ferriss starts his writing sessions by brewing a cup of tea. Olympic athletes visualize their success before competitions. These actions might seem trivial, but they act as anchors, telling your subconscious, "Hey, it's go time." Want proof? Studies show that consistent routines increase dopamine levels, which enhance motivation and focus. So, find your ritual. Maybe it's lighting a candle, stretching for 2 minutes, or listening to a specific song. Whatever it is, stick to it. Repetition builds neural pathways that make entering a state of deep focus easier over time. Next up, time management. If you've ever tried to focus for hours on end, you've probably failed miserably. Why? Because humans weren't built for marathon work sessions. Instead, try the Pomodoro technique. Work in short bursts, 25 minutes, and then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. This method aligns perfectly with how your brain operates, giving you maximum efficiency without burnout. And here's a pro tip: during those breaks, move your body. Go for a quick walk, stretch, or do jumping jacks. Physical movement increases blood flow to your brain, sharpening your mental clarity. Sitting still all day actually makes it harder to focus. So, get up and get moving. It's not laziness, it's strategy. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: stress. When you're overwhelmed, focusing feels impossible. But here's the thing: stress doesn't have to be your enemy. In fact, moderate stress can enhance your performance. The trick is learning how to manage it. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, and journaling are powerful tools for calming your mind and preparing it for deep focus. Speaking of meditation, Did you know that mindfulness practices physically rewire your brain? Regular meditators show increased gray matter in areas responsible for attention and decision-making. Just 10 minutes a day can improve your ability to concentrate. Not convinced? Try it for a week. See how much sharper you feel. Another secret weapon. Music. Not just any music, though. Instrumental tracks or binaural beats are scientifically proven to boost focus. They drown out background noise and stimulate your brainwaves. Apps like Brain.fm or playlists labeled Focus Music on Spotify are great places to start. Give it a shot next time you sit down to work. You'll be amazed at the difference. Still struggling? Don't worry, there's one more tool you need to master: intrinsic motivation. External rewards, like money or praise, only take you so far. True focus comes from within. Ask yourself, why are you doing this task? What's the bigger purpose behind it? Connecting your work to a meaningful goal makes staying focused effortless. Consider Elon Musk. His ability to hyperfocus stems from his vision of changing the world through technology. He's not working because he has to. He's working because he believes in his mission. Find your why, and watch your focus skyrocket. By now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but will it really work for me? Here's the truth. These methods aren't theories. They're backed by research and tested by high achievers worldwide. From CEOs to artists to athletes, everyone uses variations of these techniques to tap into their full potential. If they can do it, so can you. One final thought: consistency is king. You won't master deep focus overnight. But every small step you take brings you closer to unlocking this incredible skill. Start with one technique today. Build on it tomorrow. Before you know it, you'll be operating at a level you never thought possible. So, what are you waiting for? Turn off your phone, clean your desk, set a timer, and dive into your next big project. Remember, the only thing standing between you and deep focus is action. Take that step now. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. They'll appreciate you for it. Until next time, stay focused, stay sharp, and keep chasing greatness.